Hi, it's Nørgaard. So today I'm doing a review and demo on the Anastasia and Amrezy highlighter. I have been using this for the past month or so. I bought it the day it came out and I have been using it ever since I got it. And I'm just going to say it right off the bat. This is an amazing highlighter. So I hope you guys can see what it looks like. And I apologize if mine is a little bit dirty. As I said, I have been using it a ton. So this is what it looks like on the inside, the actual highlighter. It is so freaking gorgeous. And here it is as a swatch. So I don't have any highlighter on right now. And I'm going to apply the highlighter to my face while talking about it. And I'm going to use my e.l.f. small tapered brush. So it picks up product really easily. There is only a small amount of fallout. I don't tap off my brush, but you could if you want a more natural or subtle highlight. So let me show you what it looks like. Honey. I just think it looks incredible. So what I have been most impressed by with this highlighter is the versatility for different skin tones. So I am very fair, my skin is very pale and it works for me. It looks beautiful on my skin tone. But I have also seen really deep skin tones pull this off beautifully. Like, it's just so gorgeous. I'm just really impressed by the fact that this works for any skin tone. It's not too light and it's not too dark. It's basically just, you know, a glow. It doesn't look like a ton of color on your face. Also, I'm very impressed with the size. It's huge. You get how many grams? 9 grams. That's a lot of product for a highlighter. Like, just look at that glow. It just looks stunning. It's very finely milled. It's not chunky, it's not glittery. It's just a beautiful sheen. It doesn't fade. It's incredible. So if you by now have not picked it up yet, I would highly recommend it. I believe it's $28, I think, which I think is really reasonable. I got it, I paid customs for it, and I do not regret it. I think it's worth every penny. Of course, it does highlight texture. All highlighters do that, unfortunately, but I'm willing to put up with that because of the incredible glow. So yeah, I would recommend this highlighter 100%. If you have been thinking about getting it, definitely get it. I believe it is in Sephora in America. So you could go, if you live in America, of course, you can go and try it out for yourself. But yeah, I'm just so pleased. I think it looks incredible. And yeah, I'm just so blown away by how this can fit every single skin tone. So I would say that this would work for anyone who likes a blinding highlight. So yeah, that is my review and demo. I know it's kind of short, but I mean, there's really not much else to it. It's incredible, that's what I think. So yeah, if you have been thinking about getting this, I would definitely get it before it sells out. It is limited edition and I think it's a great purchase. I mean, it is a high-end product, but for the amount you're getting for the quality that you're getting, I think it's very well worth it. So let me zoom you in so you can see the highlighter up close. So this is what it looks like up close. So yeah, that is my review and demo. Let me know if you guys have this highlight as well. Since it's a cult product right now, I'm sure a lot of you guys have it already. So let me know what you think of it. As you can hear from this review, I'm blown away by it. But yeah, other than that, that is it. This makeup look will be up later. It's a first impressions. So subscribe to my channel if you want to watch this makeup look in the near future. And yeah, that is all. So don't forget to thumbs up the video if you like it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next video. So take care and bye bye.